Hello, Mr. Dr. K. This is my homework. The name is Write a C language to control stepper motor by push button. If I want to realize this requirement, we need this components. One one step motor, one breadboard, and one motor driver board, one push button. This push button have is four button together, and some jumper wires. About the step motor, we used the 28 BYJ 48. This step motor has 5 wires. The pinout is as this below. These 5 wires. About this step motor has 2 coins. These 2 coins, each of which has a center type. These 2 center types are connected internally and brought out as the 5th wires, right wire. This is the right wire. One end of the core and the center type from a phasor, thus 28 BYJ 48 has a total of 4 phases. These 4 phases. The right wire is always pushed high, so when the other lead is pulled low, the phase is energized. The stepper motor rotates only when the phases are energized in a logical sequence, known as a step sequence. About the driver board, we used the ULN 20003. This board has 4 control inputs and a power supply connection. Like this. This have this step indicator LED. This LED and this motor connection. This ULN 2003 IC and this control pins and this power input. About this board, this in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4. In 1 to in 4 are motor control input pins. Connect them to the engineer's digital output pins. The GND, the GND is the ground pin. The VCC pin powers the motor. Because the motor can choose a significant amount of power, it is preferable to use an external 5-volt power supply rather than from the original. This is motor connector. This is where the motor plugs in. The connector is key, so it will only go in one way. About the then we need wire the motor driver and push button to the original. About these pins connect like this table. Board, driver board, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4. I connect the original D8, D9, D10, D11. The driver board VCC and the push button VCC. I connect the original 5 volt. The driver board GND and the push button GND connect the original GND. The push button K1 connect original D2, K2 connect D3, like this. This is my physical connection picture. About this program, include motor control. Manually controls the motor use digital pins instead of the step library. Direction control SW1 pin 2 means press this button makes the motor rotate counterclockwise. SW2 pin 3 pressing this button makes the motor rotation clockwise. Speed control adjustable step delay and the key and the key components include the pin define. This is the pin definition. This means in 1 connect D8, in 2 connect D9, in 3 connect D10, in 4 connect 11. Switch 1, this key 1 connect D3. Switch 2 means key 2 connect D3. This is the step delay is equal 3 millisecond. About this setup function. Sets all motor pins as outputs and initialize them to know. This all of them to know. Configures SW1 and SW2 as inputs. This SW1, SW2 inputs. In 1 to in 2 is the output. About this word loop, checks the state of the switches. If the switch is pressed, the switch 1 is pressed, course single steps with pins in order in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4 for counter clockwise rotation. If the switch 1 switch 2 is pressed, course single step with reverse the pin order in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, and 4 clockwise rotation. If no switch is pressed, stop the motor by setting all pins to no, like this. About single step setup, this implements four-step model. Circle through the four-step sequence to retain the motor. And this is define the step sequence, and this iteration of the step request. Then we run the start, upload the program. Like this video show, press the push button 1. The step multiple rotation, and press the key 2. The motor counterclockwise. Thank you. Please give me some advice.